about making some extra money or turn your skill into full-time or part-time jobs? If the answer is yes, then keep watching this video till the end because I have some research data for you that will change your time into money because friends, time is money. It is a three-part video concept categorized on the basis of time and skill required to invest in that idea. इसमें कम टाइम कम skill और सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम और सबसे ज़्यादा skill. This video will cover the top 5 easy money ideas. I have gone through more than 25 apps and shortlisted them based on earnings. Second, the market presence of the app. Then the quality of the app, the user interface. Then how reliable the app is. I have tried to cover the most genuine apps possible and made my own list. So let us start with the countdown. On number 5, we have the Indian Rose Dhan app, easily available in the Play Store and also in many regional languages. It pays you coins for watching news, for playing games and watching videos, and 250 coins will make up to 1 rupee which you can redeem in your Paytm account. It has more than 10 million installs and I found the data to be interesting that is available on the app. You can also collect coins by inviting friends and writing feedback. You can easily log in with your phone number and on login it gave me 25 coins. My invite code will be in the description box. Only reason it is a little low on my list is because it has too many ads and pop-ups and redirections. On accumulating 200 rupees, you can withdraw on your Paytm. On number 4, we again have an Indian app Payback. Based on multi-brand loyalty program, this is easily available in Play Store. They claim to have a new install every 3 seconds. They have online and offline partners and you can see their offline partners and locate the stores nearby. And when you shop with their offline partners, you get payback points. And when you shop with their online partners, you get 2 times those points like Flipkart, OnePlus, Decathlon, Samsung, etc. 4 points will accumulate to 1 rupee. You can redeem the points in the redeem option and use it for shopping or paying your bills also. You can also convert in credit card points. So it is a great shopping app. On number 3, we have Step Set Go app. This is just my favorite must-have app. It has a brilliant user interface, and if you do not have the motivation to hit the gym or take care of your own health, then please install this app right now. You can log in using Google or Facebook, and then it converts your steps into real coins. It is available in Play Store and iOS apps, and after you log in, it gives you a series of instructions on how you can create these points. Like any health app, it will ask for a little access to your location and your Google account. This is the home screen, and I find it a very user-friendly interface. It shows all your challenges, all the coins, all the levels that you have crossed. I tried a lot of apps for this video and when I logged in into this app, it gave me an invite code so that I can also earn points and the invitee can also earn the points. Friends, code will be in the description box. Now coming back to the home screen, I do not have any coins, but when you go to the bazaar option, you can see all of the product partners and independent collections that are available and you can purchase from your coins. Even though their bazaar do not match the standards of Flipkart or Amazon, but I found a substantial amount of products that we use and we can buy. This dashboard shows my detailed report. Even though this is not a very high earning app, but the integration of health and money is what makes it in this list. On number 4, we again have an Indian app, Meesho. Easily available in Play Store, they claim to be India's number one reselling app. App will ask for some standard access. Even though I have said that this category needs very less skill, बट इफ़ यू हैव अ लिटिल मार्केटिंग स्किल, आप इससे बहुत सारे पैसे कमा सकते हैं. As you can see, they have a large number of products available in their stocks. You have to market these and share with your friends or with your connections, and you get margin out of it. You do not have to keep any stock, or you do not have to deliver to their address, but market that product. This is my dashboard. On collecting 3000 rupees, I can redeem it into my Paytm account. Due to the cash payment and the large collection, it is high on my list. If you liked my list, please subscribe to this channel for more information. So the top spot on my list is not an app but an URL, www.ouo.io. So it will not take any space on your phone. This is a URL shortener concept. This is such a new concept for me and such an easy way to earn. It is so high on my list is because it pays you in dollars. You just have to copy and paste any URL in this website. The initial registration is also pretty simple. I registered and logged in to this website. The dashboard was very concise. It shows the views on my URL, earnings, the CPM. These are the links that I've copied and pasted. These are my own YouTube videos. The referral model given in this website was also pretty strong. It will take some time to get a hang of this website, but once you do, it is very fruitful. The tool has a number of options like quick link, full page script, and the March shrinker. This helps to shorten the URL of multiple links in one go. The guidelines are also shown which should be taken care while using this website. The payment process was also simple. You can redeem through PayPal. It is very high on my list is because it does not take any space in your phone, and also you get somewhere between $1 to $5 for every 1,000 views. As you can see on the screen, I'm just giving an example how you can copy and paste any URL and shorten it. This is a really simple process. To show the complete layout of this website, I've created through Engineer Express login, and you can see it shows a very detailed information like address. Additionally, I would recommend you to have a legitimate antivirus software. Overall, it's a good concept. That would be all, my friends, and if you like this information, please subscribe to my channel to not miss the second part of this video.